fuel system is done. Fuel pump fuse is still pulled. I just got to do the valve cover and it's pretty much done. And obviously the intake, my grounding kit. But I'm going to go ahead and try to prime the motor with the fuel pump fuse pulled so I could get the oil going. This isn't on there tight, but it should be fine. So I'll go ahead and do that. Alright, let's see if it primes. Son of a bitch. Alright, gotta keep working at this. Didn't start again. Dang. Alright guys, I think I know why it's not starting. I forgot when I made the grounding kit, I replaced some of the grounds. So, excuse me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the new valve cover with the new valve cover gasket and get this guy all buttoned down, add on all my grounding kits, all my ground wires, and it should be good. So I'm just going to go ahead and knock out the valve cover real quick. I don't need to show that, I think I did that in a previous video. And let's hope I could get this guy going. Alright guys, I put 4 of my 6 grounding wires on. Oh, I gotta put this guy on. I gotta get that guy on. That's good. New valve cover on. Remember, 4 of my 6 grounding kits. Or 4 of my 6 ground wires are on. Should be enough. Alright, here goes nothing. Got battery. Okay guys, it was a dead battery. I've already tried cranking it 5 times and I'm going to do it like 5 more times. I can't get the oil filter off. My friend said pull it off to see if it leaks, but I can't get it off right now, so take my chances. Alright, let's see if it starts. Should. Leaking anywhere?
Yeah.
Oh, where?
Right here. Bad. Can you turn it off or is it off?
It's off. Not started, but almost started.
Still leaking.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Same spot?
Yeah. Hold on. Okay.
Good?
Oh, it's even worse.
Seriously?
Yeah, like sprayed.
Sprayed which way? Down? Bad injector O-ring. There it is. Found it. Alright guys, I'm back. So, let's finish this up and let's get this started. switch memory cards. Last one died. Well, last one's full. Got a lot of content for you guys. Alright. Let's prime the sucker now. Set off the alarm real fast. Alright, it's time to make sure this no longer leaks. Throw some towels around here. Alright, time to get it primed. Alright, no more leaks. Yes. Alright, time to get these injectors on. I can't remember which one goes to which, so that's awesome. Should have wrote on them a little bit better. Alright, I gotta check into this. Alright, well, let's see if it starts up. I honestly don't know if I put the injectors on correctly. So, we're about to find out right now. Well, it starts.